Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install and configure OwnCloud on Ubuntu 24.04. First, update packages and install requirements. Next, run the following commands to install, enable, and start Docker. Now, add your user to the Docker group to avoid using sudo with every command. Continue to log out and log back in to apply the change. Next, install the new Docker Compose plugin. Then, verify the installation. Now, create a project directory and switch into it. Create the following file. Continue to add the following configuration to define the OwnCloud and MariaDB services. Next, create an env configuration file, which contains the required configuration settings. Then, start the containers using Docker Compose. After that, check that both services are running. After deploying OwnCloud with Docker Compose, secure and optimize it for production use with HTTPS, a reverse proxy using nginx, and proper firewall configuration. Now, install nginx if it's not already installed. Continue to create a configuration file for OwnCloud. Paste the following configuration, and replace this example domain name with your domain name. Then, enable the configuration. Next, allow nginx through the firewall by opening HTTP and HTTPS ports. Continue to install certbot and the nginx plugin. Then, generate and apply a TLS certificate. Certbot will automatically edit your nginx config to enable HTTPS. Now, open your browser and navigate to the following URL. You should see the OwnCloud setup wizard serve securely over HTTPS. Once OwnCloud is installed and configured, you can access it both locally and remotely. OwnCloud has a rich marketplace with a variety of apps to extend its functionality. In this step, we'll demonstrate how to install an app by adding the calendar extension.